This is a MagSafe metal case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, sent to me to review from Vertmost. So let me show you a closer look. Here is the purple. Woo! The orange, which has a little bit of a pinkish kind of salmon hue. Wow. Titanium. Beigeish silver, grayish perhaps. And black. The sides are true black and the back is more of a silvery. Each one comes with super cute stickers and a 1-year warranty. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a fun, metallic, shiny vibe. Really sturdy feeling. A hard back, hard sides, not the soft TPU kind of side. That is very firm. We'll show them all here together, stacked on top of each other. You've got integrated buttons that totally match your frame. Down here, your ports are open. Your S Pen slot is open. Beautiful, beautiful look. And then we gotta show you inside because this is pretty unique. It's like a velvet, very, very short velvet kind of lining here to protect your phone. There's your integrated magnet, nothing scratchy. That's nice and soft as well. And here is the inside of your frame. Wow. One really cool thing about these cases is that they are made from aluminum alloy. So they're going to look and feel just like your phone. They're gonna match the color. It's gonna feel like your regular phone, just offer much better protection from scratches, from drops, etc. I don't have a demo phone that matches any of these colors, but I will pop one into the titanium. If you buy the case that matches your phone color, it should be a very close match or exactly. Very interesting look. You do have a small black bezel over the entire frame, very small bezel. And then you have a bigger bezel to protect those camera lenses in there. And then you've got the orange, the black, and the purple. They are, of course, MagSafe compatible with things like this magnetic car phone mount. This is a really strong magnet. They look really cool. They feel nice. You don't have the grippy texture or tackiness or anything. Like it literally just feels like your phone over here. Back here, you do feel the ring ever so slightly, but like just barely. Taking a close look, the magnetic ring on the titanium and the purple are very smooth. And then over here, the orange and the black are almost like a glitter, not quite. A little bit different, so just wanted to show that. Really cool cases for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra from Vertmost.